Nobody told you a simple machine in your backyard or garage could turn into a real money-making business.
But right now, thousands of small entrepreneurs are doing exactly that. With just one machine, they're creating products, solving everyday problems, and building income from home. No huge factory, no massive investment, just smart tools and real demand. So in this video, we'll explore 12 businesses you can start with one machine from home, and one of them might be the opportunity you've been looking for. The first idea is small-scale snack production. Food businesses remain some of the most resilient businesses in the world. People may delay buying luxury products, but they rarely stop buying food. Using small machines like grinders, extruders, or packaging equipment, you can produce snacks from home. Examples include roasted nuts, flavored popcorn, granola clusters, energy bites, healthy protein snacks. What makes small snack brands successful today is specialization. Instead of competing with large food companies, many entrepreneurs focus on niche markets. For example, organic snacks, high-protein snacks, vegan snack options, low-sugar treats. Packaging and branding play a major role. A simple product can become much more attractive with professional packaging and a strong brand identity. Sales channels often include local cafes, fitness centers, farmers markets, online stores. Startup costs can range between $400 and $2,500 depending on the equipment used. And once customers enjoy your product, they often come back regularly. Because snacks are consumable, repeat purchases are common. The next business focuses on something people love: personalization. A laser engraving machine can mark or cut materials with incredible precision. Wood, acrylic, leather, glass. With one machine, you can create products like custom signs, engraved gifts, personalized jewelry boxes, or branded business items. Think about weddings, birthdays, anniversaries, and corporate gifts. All of these events need personalized items, and laser engraving allows you to produce them quickly. Many entrepreneurs build entire brands around custom products. They sell engraved cutting boards, name plaques, or decorative wall signs. The machine follows digital designs, so production becomes fast and consistent. Startup cost usually ranges between $400 and $5,000. And once your designs start selling online, personalized products can generate steady demand year after year. The third idea works differently. Instead of producing items, the machine sells them automatically. This is the vending machine business. A single vending machine placed in a good location can generate daily sales. Modern vending machines can stock healthy snacks, drinks, wellness products, or even eco-friendly items. The real secret is location. Gyms, office buildings, schools, hospitals, transportation hubs, anywhere with steady foot traffic. Once installed, the machine works 24 hours a day. You simply refill products and collect revenue. Some newer machines even connect to mobile apps so you can monitor inventory remotely. Startup cost usually ranges between $2,000 and $6,000, including inventory. And many owners slowly grow this business by adding more machines over time. The fourth business revolves around custom apparel printing. Using a heat press or sublimation machine, you can print designs onto t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and tote bags. Demand for custom merchandise never really disappears. Sports teams need uniforms, companies need branded shirts, events need promotional products, and online creators sell their own merch. The best part is on-demand production. Instead of printing hundreds of shirts in advance, you only produce items when customers place orders. This reduces waste and startup risk. Many small brands run this entire operation from a home office. Startup investment typically ranges from $500 to $3,000. And with strong designs and marketing, even a small setup can produce dozens of products each day. Next is the CNC router business. A CNC router is a computer-controlled cutting machine used for woodworking and design. It can carve detailed patterns into wood or cut complex shapes with precision. With this machine, you can create decorative wall art, wooden signs, custom furniture parts, or engraved panels. Home decor is a massive market. Many homeowners prefer unique handmade pieces instead of mass-produced furniture. A CNC router allows you to create those designs repeatedly with perfect accuracy. Once the design file is ready, the machine handles the cutting automatically. Startup cost usually ranges from $1,500 to $10,000 depending on size. For people interested in woodworking, this machine can turn creativity into a real business.
The next business is pressure washing. This is one of the fastest service businesses to start. Using a commercial pressure washer, you can clean driveways, sidewalks, patios, fences, and building walls. Over time, these surfaces collect dirt, stains, mold, and algae. Pressure washing removes them quickly. The results are dramatic. Before and after transformations often look amazing. That's why this business markets extremely well on social media. Startup equipment usually costs between $500 and $3,000. Since the machine is portable, you travel to customers. Many homeowners schedule cleanings once or twice per year, which means repeat customers are common. The next opportunity is the cold-pressed oil business. Over the last decade, consumers have become much more aware of what they eat. People are reading ingredient labels, they are avoiding heavily processed foods, and many are willing to pay more for natural products. Cold-pressed oils fit perfectly into that trend. A cold oil press machine extracts oil from seeds and nuts without using high heat. Common oils include sesame oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil, peanut oil, flaxseed oil. What makes this business interesting is the premium positioning. Small batch oils are often marketed as fresh, pure, and locally produced. Customers who care about health are usually happy to support local producers instead of buying mass-produced supermarket oils. Production is also fairly straightforward. You load seeds into the press. The machine slowly extracts the oil. Then you filter and bottle it. Packaging plays a big role here. Glass bottles, clean labels, and clear ingredient information help build trust. Many small producers sell through farmers markets, organic grocery stores, health food shops, or online wellness stores. Startup investment usually ranges between $1,000 and $4,000 depending on machine capacity. And because cooking oils are used every day, satisfied customers often become repeat buyers. The next idea focuses on something every household uses constantly: cleaning products. Detergents, dish soap, floor cleaners, and surface sprays are essential items in every home. But today, many consumers are becoming more conscious about chemicals and environmental impact. This is where the eco-friendly cleaning product business comes in. With a simple mixing machine or pod making setup, you can produce your own cleaning formulas. Some entrepreneurs create liquid detergents, others produce concentrated refill solutions, and some manufacture laundry pods or cleaning tablets. The opportunity here is not just the product itself, it's the brand story behind it. Many successful small brands emphasize things like plant-based ingredients, biodegradable formulas, plastic-free packaging, refillable containers. These ideas resonate strongly with environmentally conscious customers. Production can start very small. You mix ingredients, fill bottles or containers, apply labels, and package orders. Sales channels might include local zero-waste stores, online marketplaces, subscription cleaning kits, or direct-to-consumer websites. And because cleaning products are used frequently, customers often buy them again and again. That recurring demand makes this business surprisingly stable. Next is the carpet and upholstery cleaning business. Homes and offices collect dirt in places people don't always notice. Carpets trap dust, sofas absorb stains, fabric chairs hold odors. Over time, these surfaces need deep cleaning. A portable carpet extractor solves this problem. This machine sprays cleaning solution deep into the fabric. Then it extracts the dirty water using powerful suction. The difference before and after cleaning can be dramatic. Carpets look brighter, furniture smells fresh, and the entire room feels cleaner. This type of transformation makes the service easy to market. Many businesses grow quickly just by posting before and after photos online. Another advantage is mobility. The machine is portable, so you travel to customers instead of running a fixed shop. Typical jobs include living room carpets, office flooring, car interiors, restaurant seating. Startup cost usually ranges between $1,000 and $5,000 depending on equipment quality. Once customers trust your service, they often schedule regular cleanings every few months. That means recurring income from repeat clients. The 10th business is 3D printing custom tools and replacement parts.
A desktop 3D printer can create physical objects layer by layer using plastic filament. At first, people used these printers mainly for hobby projects, but today, many entrepreneurs use them to solve real problems. Think about small replacement parts, broken clips, appliance knobs, plastic brackets, drone accessories. Often, these parts are difficult to find in stores, but a 3D printer can recreate them in minutes. You can also produce custom products like phone stands, gaming accessories, camera mounts, or specialized hobby tools. Many sellers upload their designs to platforms like Etsy or online marketplaces. When an order comes in, the printer simply makes the item. This means you don't need large inventory. Startup cost for a desktop printer usually ranges from $300 to $2,500. And once your designs gain popularity, the printer can run daily, producing items people already need.
Another interesting idea is biomass pellet production. This business connects directly to the growing interest in renewable energy and sustainable materials. A pellet mill machine compresses loose materials into dense, cylindrical pellets. Common raw materials include sawdust, wood shavings, agricultural waste, crop residues. These pellets are commonly used as fuel for biomass stoves and heating systems. They can also be used as bedding for livestock or pets. One major advantage is the availability of raw materials. In areas with woodworking shops or farms, sawdust and agricultural waste are often very inexpensive. Sometimes they are even given away because businesses need to dispose of them. The pellet mill compresses this loose material into dense pellets that are easy to store and transport. Because of its connection to sustainability and recycling, this business is gaining attention in many regions.
The final idea is the spice grinding and blending business. Spices are used in almost every kitchen around the world. From simple salt and pepper to complex seasoning blends, spices shape the flavor of food. A compact spice grinder or pulverizer machine allows you to process whole spices into powders. You can grind ingredients like chili peppers, turmeric, cumin, coriander, peppercorns. But the real opportunity lies in creating unique spice blends. For example, BBQ seasoning, curry spice mixes, herbal blends, specialty cooking rubs. Freshly ground spices often have stronger aroma and flavor than mass-produced supermarket powders. This freshness becomes your selling advantage. Many small spice brands focus on quality and authenticity. Products can be sold through local grocery stores, restaurants, farmers markets, online specialty food shops. Startup costs usually range between $700 and $3,500. With creative blends and attractive packaging, a spice brand can quickly build loyal customers. So those were 12 businesses you can start with just one machine from home. Some produce physical products, some provide essential services, and some can even operate semi-passively. But they all share one powerful idea. A single machine can create real value. And sometimes, that's all it takes to start building something bigger. Now I'd like to hear from you. Which of these machines would you actually consider starting with? Would you prefer building a product business or a local service business? And if you had the chance to invest in just one machine this year, which one would it be? Let me know in the comments, because the next successful home business might start with one simple machine.